Alright guys, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Today's subscriber shout out goes to, thank you guys for subscribing. Let's get into the video. So guys, in today's video, as you guys can see from the title or the thumbnail, it is gonna be it's gonna be a back to school haul, pretty much shopping online from Jamaica for back to school because it's Corona time. Yeah. All right, so I have these things that I have are pretty much not only this year I bought them. I have two things in there that I bought last year. So this is what my box looks like right now. So there you go. All right, so that's what I have in my box. I need to actually bring one more thing in. All right, so pretty much, as I said, there's some things in this box that I got last year when I was shopping for back to school, because we thought school was gonna open last year and it did not. So yeah. All right, so the first things I'm gonna show you are the things I bought in Jamaica. So I got myself 2 notebooks. I'm not a student, by the way, I'm a teacher, so I don't need more than like 2 notebooks. So I bought 2. I'm pretty much gonna use one for school and the other one is gonna be used for something else, but I just bought 2 and decided to show you guys. I have this pencil case that I bought. Yeah, this was, by the way, this was bought in Bashko. It was also bought in Bashko, and it has the little rings where you can actually put it in a binder, which I have a binder, so I'm not gonna put this in it as a binder. I think I'm gonna be using this as I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it as a pencil case or if I'm gonna use it as my emergency kit, but yeah. And I had a few things that I bought that are in it. I bought a pack of 4 highlighters, however I gave my sister 2 and I have 2. So this is the orange and the green. Is this green or yellow? I call it yellow, or it looks green. Anyways, I have that. We bought a pack of 3 erasers, and this is mine. I have the purple one. It's kind of not showing, but it's purple and it has Home A+ homework eraser, that kind of eraser. Yeah. And then we also bought a pack of pens, and we shared up the pack of pens for the family. So I got 3, my sister got 3, mom and dad got 2, because they're not in school, but yeah. Yes. And then I also got a pencil. We bought some pencils, and well, for the youth fellowship, and I got 1, my sister got 1, and the kids will get the rest. So yes, so that is what I bought in Jamaica. Now the next thing I bought, this wasn't necessarily bought in Jamaica because the person ordered them online, but it's this cute, so this is it. It has some pineapples on it. It's blue with some pineapples, and it comes with the hand sanitizer thing inside, but it comes empty, so I would fill it up. And this is pretty much just for you to put on. You can either put it on your keys or you can put it on your bag. I'll be putting mine on my bag. So yeah, the next thing I want to show you guys is pretty much what I had from last year, and that will be my lunch kit and my utensil kit. So this is my lunch kit. I bought this on Amazon last year when I was supposed to be going back to school. However, no school never did I keep. I'm still in no school I keep this year either, but I'm just doing my haul and I just want to show you guys because I know a lot of new persons are on my channel, so you probably haven't seen that video, but I'll still link it so you guys can see it. I'm trying to close the lunch pan so you guys can see what it looks like, but this is the inside of the big part. It has this little thing here, compartment here. It also has a little compartment at the top where you can put drink in and so on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it is closed. All right, so this is what it looks like when it is closed. It also has a compartment at the front, something at the front where you can put probably a little change, and the little mesh part at the side and at this side as well. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and it has the handle you can extend and so on. I love black things because black just seems sleek and not that hard to carry. So I like black stuff. But anyways, that's what I got. And then my utensil kit would be this, and pretty much it's just a little kit that comes with like knives and forks and spoon. Why am I saying knives like it's more than one? It's just one knife, one fork. So pretty much, as I said, it comes with a fork. It comes in it pretty much. It comes with a knife, comes with a spoon, it comes with, what do you call these, chopsticks? Yeah, chopsticks. A pair of that. It comes with 2 straws, one that has the bend and one that doesn't, and it comes with the straw cleaner. So pretty much I thought this was such a good utensil kit, and pretty much it has that little foil looking thing on the inside, so even if you put it in wet, it's like it's not gonna do the bag anything. You get what I mean? So yeah, I thought this was a good buy, and I've been dying to use this. I'm so ready to use it. But anyways, I did buy this in Jamaica, but I forgot to show you guys. I bought this last year. It is a pencil case, and it has been working for me pretty great for the pandemic, and it's still good as new. So I'm just gonna use it back this year. However, I do need to empty it out because it's pretty full. Some things in it just not really needed, so I'm just gonna empty it out whenever I need to go to school, which is not right now. So anyways, following with those kind of stuff, before I go on to the clothes section, I'm just gonna move those out of the way. I bought this year, and this is my bag which I bought from Amazon. I needed a new bag because my other bag, the top part of it was pulling out and it was stripping because of the material that it was. So yes, I bought this bag. Oh yes, if you're new to my channel, I don't like handbags because I'm half and half tomboy basically, so I don't like handbags. I like knapsacks. So I had a knapsack last year, and I also have a knapsack for this year. Now the knapsack I had, it served me for like 3 years or 4. I think it's about 3 years. 3 years or 2 years. I think it's 3 years though. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. It has more compartments than the one I had last year. This one has 3, and the one I had last year had 2. It also comes with the thing here where you can plug in your earphone or your charger inside the bag, and it comes with the cards and all of that. So it was a pretty good purchase. As you guys can see, it comes with the card, it comes with a part for your laptop and stuff like that. Big compartments here, very big. Then it has 2 other sides. I'm gonna do like a what's in my bag kind of thing or whatever, you know, but I just want to show you guys what I bought and stuff like that. So yes, and this bag also came with a lock, kind of, where, can you see that? No. Yeah, so it came with a lock where you can put combination and you can actually lock your bag, you know, safety and such. And these, I think they say that when you're in the night and like a light shine on it, it will, you know, like those vests that have on here, something like that. I don't know what they call it, but yeah, that's my bag. And then for the clothes, I'm gonna show you guys what we got. I have an item that you guys saw in one of my SHEIN haul, but I wanted to show you guys again because this time I'm actually showing you guys some SHEIN work clothes that you can actually wear. So yeah, it's this, what is this, brown, I call it brown, but it's more like a brown burnt orange kind of pants. This is what it looks like, and I did try this on already in another haul, so I'm not going to try it on in this haul, but I just want to show you guys that one. So the next thing I got another pants from SHEIN, and I'll show you guys. I'll just pop up the price and all of that because I don't remember the prices right now, and yeah, just can't manage to do that right now. So anyways, I'm gonna be trying on this. So this is a, what do you call this, a pink plaidish looking pants, I don't know, and it has the little thing at the bottom. What do you call it? It's like a elastic thing at the bottom, and I thought it was really cute, so I wanted to try it. And when I got it, I was pretty excited. So alright, so this is what it looks like. Just gonna be concentrating on this one down here. It's kind of biggish, but the waist is perfect. It's just the hair, which is fine for me because it's work. It's not like I'm gonna, you know, it's work. So this is the first pants that I have. As you guys can see, the foot parts and all. So yeah. Alright, so next one I have has in a, it's having like a pants and a blouse. So I like to buy them like this. That's how I bought the brown one. I bought the blouse for it to wear like in the summer and such like that. But this one, I think you can actually wear the blouse at work because it has sleeve. The other one can actually wear the blouse. It's just that I'm gonna need like a jacket. So yeah. So this is like a square neck tank top, not tank top, a square neck blouse. So yes, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna put that on in a few. And then it came with this black and white pants. Shein material is always weird, but anyways, the waist of this is kind of biggish but not that bad. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Kind of has that sheer kind of material, but yeah. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, me when I have the shape of whatever I'm plus size, so you know how it's gonna look on me. This one is extra big. The pants is extra big, however I think it's still fine because I'm not gonna wear big clothes at work. Sorry, don't know why. But anyways, it comes with this little thing, but it doesn't. Oh yes, it does. At first when I tried this on, I forgot I didn't even check for these. So it comes with the thing to put it in. I didn't even check for it, so I didn't see it. So anyways, this is what it is. You can just tie it so it's a little bit smaller, or so it don't fall off or whatever. So yeah, it's cute, I'm not gonna lie. So yes, this actually makes me look so tall though, like seriously. Yeah, anyways, this is what it looks like. The next thing, I'm gonna try on this one because I'm so excited for this one. I love this one. I love what do you call those neck ones, the turtleneck. Yeah, I love turtleneck blouse for some reason, I don't know why. So this one is a black and white turtleneck. So I'm just gonna try this on for you guys. All right, so this is what the blouse look like. I think it's pretty cute. Can be really professional with a black skirt, colored skirt. I'm thinking more like a colored skirt because this is already black and white. So just to add a little color, you can have a red, blue skirt, orange skirt, red. It can even be a pants. I have a yellow pants that I'm definitely sure I might wear this with. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's just like a, I thought it was more, you call it tie-dye looking, but it's not tie-dye looking, it's just pastel colors. Alright guys, so this is what this one looks like. It's pretty cute. I love the color of it. It's kind of tall, long, I should say. It's kind of long, but I like it. It'll be cute with like my black pants that I have. So yeah, that is that. I love the color though, guys. I just love the color. I love the color. Love. So yeah, the next one is gonna be this white one. We have about 3 more things left, so I'm not gonna bore you all today. So this one is, I love this one too. It's pretty cute. This is really cute. So it's this white one. I didn't want to take white because I don't like white like that. But I love the detail at the neck part, so that it's a keyhole. So yeah, we're gonna try this on. Alright, so this one, this is what this one looks like. It's pretty cute to me. yeah, so that's what this looks like. As I said, the key thingy is right here, so I will have to wear something like this underneath it, which I pretty much wear anyways. I always wear these under blouse things, so yeah, or marina, pretty much always have them on. So yeah, that's mine. And then the next one, I'm gonna do this blue one, and as I said, all of these were in 3X because my size on SHEIN is 3X. It's a bit bigger than expected, but let's just try it on. All right, so it kind of looks more like something you'd wear like with the tights because it's pretty long, and I didn't expect it to be this long. But as I said, this can also be pushed in and just worn in, so it's fine. So yeah. All right, so the last blouse I have would be this one, and then the other thing I would have is a dress. So this blouse, just I don't know what they call these blouses. Anyways, I don't know what the thing on it is called. So yeah, this is it. I'm trying to show you like the pattern on it. Yeah, there we go. So yes, this is the blouse pretty much. As I said, 3X, so I'm gonna try it on and let you guys see how it looks. All right, so this is what this one looks like. I wouldn't wear something like, I would wear it probably with something inside because this is kind of tight fitted, so a blouse or a skirt or something that is, you know, would actually complement this belly of mine because it's so tight. So yes, and then the last thing we have is this SHEIN. It's this dress. The last thing that we have is this dress. So yeah, so it's like that. So my sister and I actually bought this dress, but she's now thinking probably she might not wear hers to work because hers, it might be short, but she hasn't tried it on yet. So when she tries it on her haul, then yeah. But she has a dress like this. As you guys can see, it's kind of looking short for work. It might be short, but I'm gonna try it on and let you guys see what it looks like. All right, so mine isn't that short. Mine actually passes my knee, so it's fine. But I think when I put this on, it makes it a little shorter, but it's still doable, and I'm not gonna not wear it because I love this dress and it's yellow. So yeah, anyways, this is the belt. It can be done at the side, at the front, at the back, pretty much anywhere you want to tie it. There's no rules pretty much, so anyone you want to do. As you guys can see, it's not that short, you know. It's not that short. It's actually on my knee, so yeah, it's cute. And I'll link all of these outfits, all of these clothes that I have haul for you guys. I'm gonna put them in the description, so pretty much you'll see all the links in the description, and I will pop up the prices and such like that. So yeah, so yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know, yes, I'm not gonna get to wear these probably for now, probably for next month or so, because I'm not wearing my clothes for online school. I wear t-shirts, yeah, but now I wear my good clothes and go online. But anyways, so yes, thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.